News, Bell County.
Olivia, thank you. Advent Health in Killeen recently opened a drive-through coronavirus testing site toward the front of the hospital. It runs Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 2 p.m., and it's by appointment only. It is time now to check in with meteorologist Josh Johns. Good morning, Josh.
Yeah, there's big changes on the way for this Friday, Lindsay. It starts off with a muggy morning that we have in place now. You can see the clouds showing up there on Exco Eagle Eye in downtown Waco, just over the Baylor campus. It's a pretty cloudy morning out there. Not seeing any showers yet, but that may be changing later on this afternoon. Clouds and radar showing you heavy cloud cover outside right now. That is all sitting right over us, and it's eventually going to lead to a few showers. The reason why is because of something we can't see locally, but what we can see when I take you off to the northwest. Right now, temperatures in the 50s and the 60s, but look what's happening off to the northwest. There's all that cool air spilling south across the plains. That's another cold front that's on the way. It'll be here later on after around lunchtime and really start to cool us off. You can see how fast it's moved in the last 2 hours. Dropped temperatures from about 63 to 50 in Wichita Falls. So some really cool air working down the plains, and we'll be here later on today. Winds are out of the south out ahead of it, but once that front arrives, it'll shift them around the north. They'll be blowing about 10 to 15 miles per hour later this afternoon as those winds of change arrive, and what they're going to do is continue to drop our temperatures as we go through the day. We'll get into the mid-60s by lunchtime, then falling off to the 40s and 50s later on this afternoon. We'll also bring in some slight rain chances, about a 30% chance of showers. You can see this on Future Track. Just a few of those light showers, maybe some heavy rain embedded in some of them later on once we get a little bit more moisture in place. Then we'll dry out a little bit overnight, but then a stronger disturbance comes across tomorrow, and that's going to lead to the potential for some scattered showers tomorrow. Some of those may have some small hail, and I don't expect severe weather, but we'll just have to watch it. And then another chance of rain coming up Sunday in the morning, mainly east of I-35. Big thing you're going to notice, though, is that change in temperatures. We go from the 60s at lunchtime to feeling like we're in the upper 40s and mid-40s later on this afternoon with a north wind at about 10 miles per hour. So have that jacket ready later on this afternoon. Rain chances today and tomorrow, but then we start to dry out for Monday, and we'll bring in more rain chances later on for the middle of next week. Some of those could be some strong thunderstorms. Today's highs getting to the mid-60s ahead of that front. They drop through the day down to the upper 40s, lower 50s this afternoon. 62 Saturday, 82 on Sunday, and we got a more spring-like pattern on the way for next week with 70s and 80s. So, Joe, it's a big cool down, but it's a short-lived one. Won't be like what we saw last week.
All right, Josh, thank you. Well, social distancing has been a challenge for a lot of us, but quarantine experts say our teenagers might be struggling the most.